Rabbal area, especially complain on the sound pollution. What is your say? Because Daancha Magi Degal, it was still going on, and late night people gathered there.
No, I think the government has taken a stand that we should stop by 10 o'clock.
So if it is taken a step to stop by 10, then how it is going on?
It's not. Yesterday they've stopped it, no?
No, so it was it went on till 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Yesterday night?
Yeah.
Then I'll have to check up. I'm not sure.
So, but you might check up everything, but this has been going on. The local people have been complaining. Even one of the MLA recently complained to the police officials on this also, saying that 10 o'clock is 10 o'clock is bond down there, sir. How it goes?
No, I think we're trying to work out a system to be a little more proactive. Fact is that there are meters, there are all these instruments that have already been installed. You see, the implementation of all this does not lie with the pollution control board. Implementation, action to be taken is with the collector. I am not trying to play football and kick the ball into their court, nor am I trying to shirk our responsibility. But there seems to be a lack of coordination between the various departments. So just yesterday I was thinking of calling a meeting of all the different agencies and trying to work out a solution wherein we can jointly, where we could be proactive to resolve this.
No, but lack of coordination on look trasan answer. Lokang justice called it all. Every now and then, time and again.
Lokang justice Dupala, I'm thinking of calling a meeting immediately and trying to find a solution.
Solution to an end that 10 o'clock is 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock is 10 o'clock, yes. But as I said, things are in place, but there is no will, there is no coordination.
From whom?
So we will get all the agencies together to implement it.